Katanat juga kat kekhia jong Sorkar jela rengkat bagi jetrelang ki bos senjar distrik kalai Bteng ya kejing tes Naphang ya ki Paidbah haki jakayo. Manta kasni khapatrik unailar ajar arho ya kene kejing tes Naphang ya ki Paidbah la pelongpat apo Khyndailad hakaba ki bos senjar distrik rengkat u bagi bos jong katanat kat kekhia kila pelong ya kejing tes ki Paidbah hakati ke jaka. Nagaliang juga RiKhasi channel bakal poi ke jaka kalai ia bagi babon ki Paidbah kila snok tilang hakaba banlek pan patas yala di haka jaka balapan bet kerpang nak kamta bantes yaki. Haibakan bad u headman jangka Khyndailad ula penpau ke jing sengu ke bakhrau yaki bos sensyar jangka Sorkar jela kumjuk di ki bos jar distrik bakila pelong ikan ketes kana bakal ngala jing yana yaki Paidbah bakin ngat ia kene ke jingpang covid kat Khyndailad.
First of all, let me thank the district administration and the health department for doing this spontaneous rapid antigen test in our area, and I hope it will go a long way in controlling our COVID-19 pandemic. So very helpful to the total district administration along with the staff of the DHS for conducting this rapid antigen test in our area.
Deputy Commissioner ka East Kasir District ikong Mat Siudorwar ilethu manakalang ke bos jar district kaya persyang ban pensuthu iki Paidbah bagi don kaban sim ya kene tes kanang bakan nongala jingya da yaki namar bakani ke jaka yau ka bagi don ru ki basong dukan ba kumjuru ki Paidbah ki basong di jingdi hakimadan.
This is actually what happens at these areas of Police Bazaar, Bara Bazaar, GS Road. These are commercial areas, number one, so they are hotspots. And especially after the test results that have come for RiKhasi area, where more than 50 cases were tested, more than 700 cases were tested and about 50 plus were found positive. Sizable number of them were either from especially the Bara Bazaar area, which is why we are also having a testing there. But this is also a hotspot, so this is also an area which we are going to have random testing for now. And then depending on the results or what we see from here, then we will take it forward further. So that is one of the major areas that we are looking at as of today. We are also a little concerned about the fact that, not a little, we are very concerned in fact about the fact that we have seen that a sizable number of hawkers and vendors are sitting down suddenly today here in Police Bazaar, and of course it has been happening also in Bara Bazaar area. And the concern is because of the health hazard that it is posing. Obviously physical distancing is not being maintained, masks are being used, not used. People crowd around a particular vendor or a particular shop. We have been very strict with the shops, but with the vendors it's very difficult for us to just keep on having someone monitoring around the clock. So we are also going to request the vendors to stay off the roads and use. But then if things don't work, then we might have to take some other steps. We're trying to mobilize them. We are talking to the associations here. We're talking to the shopkeepers. And we definitely will be calling everyone, even the members of the public who are moving around to get themselves tested. That's how we're mobilizing them as of now. But then if it becomes, if the results indicate anything, then we might have to take more stringent steps to ensure that everybody gets tested.